Day 7 from 0 to WordPress Hero End of the Year Challenge, and today I'll be showing you guys how you can import a template into a blank page. So yesterday we created a new page on our website, so today I'll be showing you how you can import a template on the blank page without having to build from scratch. So without wasting our time, let's get on to it. So the first thing you need to do once you log in into your dashboard is to come into the page option, and then once you click on it, come into the page you created. So you can click on edit, give it a moment to load up. So once it's up, you just click on edit with Elementor, then give it a minute to load up. Also give it a minute to load up. Finish, please. Once it's up, all you have to do is just come to this starter template logo and click on it. So as you can see, there are different pages we can what's it called, we can import into the website, but you have to search for, depending on the site that you are building. So I'm building a consultation website, so let's search for that. The network is really bad tonight. Please, let's be patient with it. So I'm just going to import just a neutral page. So if you are working on it, my network is really bad tonight, so that is why I'm just uploading a neutral page. All right, so if you are working on it, you are working on your site, you can easily search for the template that goes with the site you are building. For example, if you are building a site for a clothing brand, you can search for a clothing brand, and it will bring up various templates that you can use free, that you can use. And if you want to go for the paid, the premium ones, you can go for it too. All right, so my network is a little bit bad tonight, so I'll be going with this service page. So give it a minute to load up. And click on import templates. As you can see, it's importing the templates. Just give it a minute to finish. So the template is imported already. So as you can see now, our service page now has a page. Before it was blank, now it has a page. So it is very easy for us to edit from here. We don't have to start building everything from scratch. You can easily edit everything that you need to edit right from here. Just change the words to whatever you want to change it to, and you can publish it, and your website is good to go. So uploading a template into a blank page is as simple as that. So once you log into your dashboard, I just want to go over it again because of the network issue. Once you log into your dashboard, go to the page option, click on the page that you created. Then once you click on the page that you created, once it loads up, click on edit with Elementor. So once it opens up to the Elementor space, then you can click on the starter template logo. For example, now let me do that again. For example, as you can see now, this is the starter template logo. Click on it and it will open up the template storage. So you can choose whichever template you want to use right from there, and you can import it. So once you import it, you can start working on your website. It is as easy as that. So that will be the end of this video. If you have any topic you want me to talk about, please drop it in the comment section. And if you also find the video interesting, don't forget to like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I really appreciate it.